What have I gotten myself into? Happy Sunday, my fellow fat kid friendly folk. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. I am super excited about this video, or not a TV show. Anyway, I'm super excited. I received this box in the mail, and it took it a while to get here because it was traveling over the ocean. So, let me see if I can show you this without dropping everything. But basically, this is a box. This is a box full of Japanese goodies. I am so excited to try this. Like, I'm so excited. There's a lot of stuff in here. There's no way I can try all of these in one video unless you want to watch like an hour-long video of me eating food, which, I mean, there's some people that are into that, but that's not what this channel's about. I dug around in the box, and the only thing that came with this is just the shipping information. There's no paper in here telling me what any of this stuff is. Like, I have no idea. I can't read it. It's all written in Japanese because it does come from Japan. I just picked out a few random ones that are kind of a mismatch of between what kind of looks like candy and snacks, because it is a little bit of both snacks and candy. And there's still, like, this box is full of stuff, so I'm going to put that there to get that out of the way. And I'm just gonna dive right into this. Again, I don't know what any of this is. It's all in another language, but these were on top and they intrigued me by context clues. So this is the first one, and it says corn potage. I don't know what that says, but from context clues, it looks like maybe a potato soup flavor. So I've never tried Japanese candy. The only candy I've ever had you can get from the Oriental store, and it was this candy called White Rabbit, and it's delicious, and it's wrapped in a rice paper. It's so good. But anyway, wow, just have a strong corn smell. That's what they look like. Oh my gosh. Those are really good. It's kind of sweet though. What does it taste like? I mean, the texture is kind of like a Cheeto. If you ever had like a cheese puff. It's got like a buttery, it tastes like sweet buttered corn. Like, not kidding. I don't know where the potato, well, corn. Oh. Corn. I'm stupid. Corn soup. It tastes like cream of corn. Next we have, I don't know what this is at all. Like, I think it says wasabi on it. And if it is wasabi, it's going to be super spicy. But I don't know if it's a seaweed thing. Oh. 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 Oh, it's sticky. That's what it looks like. It almost smells like a teriyaki soy sauce, but slight fish. Ugh. Oh, it's salty. Oh! Oh my god. Oh my god. Nope. Nope. I'm afraid for this one. It's got a fish on it. Okay? If that's not a strong context clue, you can't smell it through the package, but... Oh my god. That smells like straight up fish. Mm-mm. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God, that's nasty. It has the 3 little pigs building houses on it. Not a single thing is in English. Again, the pictures aren't really telling me much, unless it's like bacon flavored. Ooh. That's an interesting smell. Ooh. This is what it looks like. There's 2 of them in here. It smells like soy sauce. It looks like a pig's ear. Mm. Okay. Okay. That's not that bad. It's just like a crispy, I don't know, rice cake kind of consistency with like tastes like soy sauce or teriyaki. Smells funky, but it doesn't taste that bad. So I'm saving a few of these for last because they seem more sweet than savory, and I don't really want to mix those up. But next is going to be this. I think I know what it's called, but I don't want to even pretend and try to say it because I'm going to look like an idiot. But I think this is teriyaki flavor. It says teriyaki on it. So, but it's got like a, can you see the little burger and then the drink, and then down here it says fast food. So yeah, I don't know what that's about. It looks like a giant Cheeto. It just looks like a giant Cheeto. It smells like spicy ketchup something. Okay. It's not bad. It is just like eating a giant Cheeto. Cheese puff. But it's got a really good taste. It's a little, like, slightly sweet, but there's some seasonings in there. It's a teriyaki. Like, I don't know where I got ketchup from. It does smell like ketchup, but I have another one of these. Like I said, there's a lot of those in that box, so. Oh, this is the same thing as this. Look at the bottom. It says the corn potage, and that's what this says at the top. So my guess is this is going to taste exactly like those, which those are delicious. So, yep, it smells identical. Mmm. That is so good. Oh my God. Wow. I mean, it tastes just like cream corn, like sweet cream corn. Next we have a few more. This looks like a little squishy marshmallow thingy. And it looks like he's got a cup of tea. And I don't know what it is. So it doesn't have a smell at all. It's just a marshmallow. I think it's literally just a marshmallow. Oh! There's chocolate in it. That's good too. I mean, marshmallow and chocolate. These look like more little marshmallow thingies. Squishy. But they look like little pancakes. Like, it says Dora Choco. Dora Choco. I don't know what that means. But it looks like a little pancake on top. If this tastes like a chocolate chip pancake, it won't open. Okay. Oh, it's not marshmallow. It's not. It's like a little cake. Almost like a... Ooh, this smells good. Ooh. It's like a little, almost like a little Debbie cake type consistency with chocolate in the middle. I'm going to need a minute. Oh my God. That is delicious. Like, wow. That is so good. Now, I don't know if, excuse me, Japan is like, I know over in like Europe and places like that, they don't use preservatives and things and dyes in any of their foods. Now, something tells me no, but that is delicious. And you get 2 of them. This is the last thing that I've got. It looks like a candy. I'm not sure. It says champagne soda pop. And there's just like a little champagne glass and they're blue. So I'm not really sure what to expect. I love how it has nutrition facts on there, but I have no idea what that means. I apologize for all the rattling. I know that that's not a pleasant sound. There's a toothpick. Can you see that? There's a toothpick. Why is there a toothpick? I don't understand. Are these like after dinner mints and you pick your teeth with a toothpick? I don't know what's going on, but it's squishy. That's an interesting flavor. It's just a gummy. Nothing special. Maybe the toothpicks to get the gummy out of your teeth. Well, that was a bit of an anticlimactic ending. They're just gummies. Nothing special. That is going to wrap up this week's video of me trying Japanese snacks and candy. Like I said, there's a bunch left in that box. So it's going to turn into like kind of a series. Not a very long series, of course, because you will run out. And I do kind of want to make this a thing. I want to get some like British snacks, and if I can find Germans, like I want to try snacks from all over the world. I just think that's a really cool thing. And I know a lot of YouTubers have already done that, but again, I haven't. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you did enjoy it. Also, share it with your friends, family, loved ones, your pet goldfish. I'm sure he would appreciate me eating Japanese snacks, all right? And I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Bye.